Pokemon to switch place with your another Pokemon. Tap Knapsack if you want to replace your Pokemon with another Pokemon from the fairy box. Select a Pokemon and tap Fight if you want to add a Pokemon. Tap Storage or Release to go to PC in the Pokemon Center. You can store all the Pokemon you caught here, and you can release your Pokemon here. The fairy box has maximum capacity, but the Pokemon Ranch has almost no limit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can pay for my college. Comment down if you want to suggest something. See you on my next one.